Hey traders, welcome to live edition of Trade This Market video update for June 13th, 2024. You're looking at a 4-hour, 15-minute, and a 5-minute chart of ES contract, which is a proxy for S&P 500. So first thing in the morning, we knew that the market is likely to get, to the downside, and we were actively looking for a setup on a 5-minute chart, and that setup came in right here as soon as the market opened up. 15-minute candle, a 5-minute candle closes below the power and a signal line, goes back one more time to retest it. This is typically a zone where you wanted to initiate a trade if you wanted to be safe and wanted to see a confirmation right here. So this is a second entry right here, 54.39, and then off we go. So the plan was that this morning we had a 14-point gap. We wanted to fill the gap, and then we wanted to see how the market is going to react. However, in light of what was happening on a 15-minute chart, we knew we might get a little bit more, and that was the 4-hour signal line was the target then. And so you wanted to be cautious and trail your stop all the way through. And then as soon as you came to this zone right here, you wanted to exit your positions, because by then this is actually getting into oversold category, and we may see a market bounce to the upside. Now, what happens on a cases like these, when the gap is filled, market tends to get into choppy range, and we might see something like that this afternoon if the 15-minute turns in the same direction as 5-minute chart right here. As you can see, it's already doing it. It's captured the signal line, power line, and it's trying to recapture signal line. So we may actually go back up to about 54.32, 33, and then this market is likely to get sold off. So we'll see how this price actually is reacting. In light of what's happening right now on a 4-hour chart, any bounces to the market is likely to get sold off. So unless and until this actually turns back in the direction of a daily chart, market stays neutral to bearish, and upper target, of course, when this thing turns in the direction of a daily chart, then we're looking at 55.40, and then just above that is 56.96. There's a lot of gap right here, and market actually, if it starts to close above 55.40, then it's a straight shot. There's an open sky, blue sky territory right here, and we might see price actually rise to 5600 level. But let's see what happens, how this market reacts in light of what's happening on a 4-hour chart and then the daily chart as well. So the structure has to remain bullish on daily and weekly, which is both are bullish right now, but anything could change. We're at all-time highs, and markets will react however market reacts. So we just have to get ready for whatever the market gives us, trade this market based on the charts that it's presenting to us in front of us, and then make our decision. So I hope this helps. Stay safe, and I will see you at the next update. Take care.